Hello everyone, myself Krutat Desai and I welcome you to my YouTube channel that is Programming with Krutat. And in this particular YouTube playlist we are going to learn how to code in C language. Okay, so basically I would like you to Google that is CodeBlocks download. CodeBlocks is basically the IDE, that is integrated development environment that we are going to use to code in C language. So I would like you to click on the second link, that is binary releases, and in that particular page I want you to find CodeBlocks 20.03 MINGW setup. Okay, so this MINGW setup consists of the compiler that is needed to run your code. So just click on this particular link and it would redirect you to the page where your download would begin. And as I have already downloaded my setup, I would just go to the download section and double click on my file there, and it would ask you to allow it access so as to run. So I would just click on yes button and it would run the particular file. Just click on next option here, accept the license agreement and click on next, and click on the particular browse section, or just click on install if you want to keep your destination folder same. So I have already installed my CodeBlocks, so I will just directly run it. So I just write CodeBlocks and I run it. It would take some time to open, and just let wait for it. Okay, now before you start coding in CodeBlocks, I would like you to follow some of the steps so that there is no error coming. Just go to the folder where you have saved your CodeBlocks ID. Click on CodeBlocks section. In that, go to MINGW folder and go to main folder. After that, copy the whole path and write system variable, or say system information, and just click on environmental variable. Okay, so go for environmental variable there, go for system variable path. Okay, so just click on new and just control V, that is paste your path here. I already set up my path here, so I would not do the process again. So just click on OK, click on OK and just exit the window. Okay, now after that you just need to open a new file here. Go to settings section, go to compiler section, and just to see that GNU GCC compiler is set. After that you need to go to toolchain executables, where you just need to click on this auto detect button so that your compiler is automatically set. So it says that auto detected installation path of GNU GCC compiler in D CodeBlocks MINGW. Okay, so just click on OK here, click on OK here. So we are ready to write our first program, that is hello world. So this program may consist of some things that you don't know. So just don't stop here, just go with me and I would explain you later what everything means. Just write printf and go for hello world. So we have written our first program here. Now there are three options here, that is build, run and build and run. So what does this particular build do is it changes your program into machine understandable language with the use of the compiler, or say let's say it compiles your program. Okay, so we would just go for build and run option here, that is it would build the program first and then it would run it automatically. So once you click it, then it asks you to save the file with a particular name. So I would just say demo4.c. So why .c? So we are writing an C program, therefore C is the extension of the language, that is C programming. So .c is the extension of the C programming language. So now I would like you to save the file, and the programming is running here, that is hello world. So this is the console in which the program would be running, and this is our first program. In the next section we would begin with the C language. I hope you enjoy this session. Thank you.